Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure widget-level manual filtering in a Bold BI dashboard. Let's see an overview of widget-level manual filtering. In Widget Designer, you can create a manual filter that only shows the fields of relevant data. You can add the manual filter to the existing widget and visualize it based on your need. Next, you can filter the data bound to the widget using any of the fields present in the data source. This Agile dashboard lets you track release metrics like hours worked, tasks and releases, and priority levels. Let's edit this dashboard to apply manual filtering to a widget in the Dashboard Designer. This bar chart visualizes the tasks by type metric, which shows total planned and completed tasks by types such as bug, story, and technical blog. Here on the Assign Data tab of the widget, we configured the planned and completed tasks as measure values, the dimension value as type. Next, we can apply widget-level manual filtering to show the data filtered for the product release version using the release version field. Drag the field you want to bind as a manual filter to the Filters section. In the Filter field, click the Settings icon. Select Edit in the Filters menu. I provide the filter conditions for the product release version and version 3.2.2. The widget is rendered with the filter condition applied. You can rename the field added in the Filters section. Note that multiple fields can be added in the Filter section, and then these fields will not be available in the underlying data. Except the widgets such as line, text, and image, we have provided manual filtering support to all widgets. This filter section currently does not support conditional filtering for the widgets. Let's publish the dashboard to see how the filtering looks. Here I select product A_version 2.1.1 from the product release drop-down. All the data visualized will be for the selected product version except in the task by type widget since we applied widget-level filtering to it. So the widget will get rendered only when the filter is applied for the release version we specified within the widget. Let's see another example. Here for the Summary by Component Grid widget, I am going to configure widget-level filtering. Next, under the Assign Data tab, I have dragged and dropped the component column under the Manual Filter section. Here I have enabled rank mode and applied ranking here. Now click OK, and the filtering was successfully applied to the widget. You can see the top 3 components summary. That's all there is to configuring widget-level filtering in a dashboard widget. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.